Hello and welcome. Integrating AI effectively requires powerful control and performance tools. We will explore two essentials, the prompt management and semantic caching. Prompt management uses templates and decorators to standardize AI interactions, ensuring every request meets organizational guidelines for quality, consistency, and centralized management. This control framework is paired with game-changing efficiency of semantic caching. Unlike traditional caches, it uses vector embeddings to identify and serve cache responses for semantically similar queries, significantly cutting down the latency and costs by minimizing redundant calls to your LLM models. As the first steps, let's add the prompt decorators and template to an existing AI API. To do that, we have to go to the API overview page, go to the policies sections under the configuration part. Then select the intended API resource, which in here is the chat completion endpoint. Then in the common policies section, you can find the prompt decorators and prompt templates policies. For demonstration, I have already added both of them to my existing API. Under my prompt template, I have two sub-templates for custom inquiries and travel advisory announcement generation. Here, for each template, there are different variable injections like this. This will be used in AI API invocation to insert relevant information in the final query, which is sent back to your LLM. Apart from this, WSO2 AI Gateway supports prompt decorators as well. These decorators will add the mentioned content into the final prompt for each request. In this prompt decorator, I have added a system message block that I need my LLM to respond for the users when they start conversation with my travel bot. Since I need to add this to my each and every request, I have added this destination path which specified to add this at start in the messages sections of the prompt. Once done, you have to deploy the API in your gateway. I have already done for this demonstration. So let's invoke the API from the dev portal. In order to invoke the API from the dev portal, you have to create an application, subscribe to then you can use the tryout console. First, let's navigate to the application section. I have already created an application for you. Remember to subscribe the API from here, and once done, you have to generate production keys here as well. Since I generated it, I will update the keys. Once completed, we have to go to this API section, select the designated API, and go to tryout console. First, let's obtain a production key for our created application. Now let's go to the chat completion resource and try out the API with the following payload. Note how the template is referenced and the content is passed with variables. Now let's invoke the API. From the LLM side, we are getting a response related to templated content. Let's invoke the API again with a normal payload. Note the difference between the previous request and the current one. This highlights the insertions of the template we defined earlier. One key feature we discuss in the starting part of this is the semantic caching. To demonstrate this, I have created another API. To add semantic caching policy, you have to go again to the policies section and select the designated API resource in which this is the chat completion endpoint. So I have already added this semantic caching policy to the request and response part both. Note that you can adjust the dissimilarity threshold to adjust the caching capabilities according to your preference. Also, we cache the prompt in the request flow and the whole response in the response flow as well. Once done, you have to deploy the API in your gateway. For this, we have already done that. Now let's go to the dev portal and similarly invoke this API with two different but semantically similar payloads. Let's go to the API console and get a test key and go to this chat completion resource. Here we are sending a payload like this. Not the response from our LLM. Now let's change the request body to a semantically similar one. Note we got the same response as the previous semantically one prompt as well. Therefore, the WSO2 AI Gateway's prompt management gives you the control needed for consistency, compliant, and high-quality LLM outputs via reliable templates and decorators within the gateway. This control framework is seamlessly paired with semantic caching, which delivers game-changing efficiency by intelligently semantically matching similar questions to cache responses, dramatically cutting costs and latencies within your organization.